Hello everyone, this is Priya, Secretary of West Bengal Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee. Hope you all are fine. Today I will be talking about the ongoing assembly election in West Bengal 2021. Well, this election is really different from the past elections that conducted in Bengal. There is absolutely no courtesy in talking, abusing, fear, drama, excitement, blah blah blah. But having said that, on one side the fascist parties like BJP and TMC, and on the other, Congress, left, ISF alliance Sanjukta Morcha. TMC and BJP are trying to sort of fool the people of Bengal. In fact, they have been doing for the last 10 years, or in Central, another in Bengal. Ms. Mamata Banerjee always claims that she has done this, that, so and so. But you can't see anything except few consolation policies. Yes, Ms. Banerjee, definitely you have done something noteworthy. That is the destruction of young generation of Bengal. But the thing is, people of Bengal don't want your arms bloody bhikha. They want dignified and respected life, which you are completely unable to provide with. And what I'll say about BJP, you all are well aware about their dirty policies. That is aggressive Hindutva and selling India. Oh yeah, I remember. Nowadays they are saying they will make it Sooner Bangla. But I just want to ask Mr. Modi, sir, you have whole India. Why don't you make it Sooner India first? Please do one thing, sir. Give us back our glorious old India, instead of making it Sooner or selling India. Now moving to Congress or Alliance, who talks about employment, security of women, empowerment, secure job, social harmony, industry, so on and so forth. Last but not the least, BJP and TMC are also sort of trying to playing games with the emotion of people of Bengal by making so-called celebrity actors candidate. But the question is, are these celebrity actors able to serve the people, or just to get the benefits of money and power they are acting in real life like real life? On the other hand, Sanjukta Morcha has well-educated, dynamic, enthusiastic, hardworking, uncorrupted, competent candidates. Therefore, I would just like to appeal to the people of Bengal. Your vote is so valuable. Before casting your vote, think wisely. Don't make mistake this time by casting your valuable vote in the favor of these corrupted party TMC and BJP candidates. Vote for Congress, vote for Sanjukta Morcha. Thank you so much.